Hey, I'm David Turner. I'm with Mega Western Bow Beer Sales in Phoenix, Arizona. Reece brought a really nice project to us. Originally, the product was designed with the original UP analog pump. As we got into the project, Grundfos released the new ALPHA pumps. The Reece sales guy came to me and he said, hey, I could really use aquastats for this project. I think it was overlooked. And I said, hey, I've got a perfect thing for you. Did you know that we have the new ALPHA pump from Grundfos? Everything is integrated and on board. We've got a temperature sensor. We can save those guys a lot of labor. There's a chance that we could just make this change. Wouldn't be an additional cost. So he presented it to Shelter Asset Management, SAM Construction. They were the plumbing contractor on the project. They thought it was a great idea. It's going to conserve water. I mean, Arizona, we're in a desert. Colorado River gets lower and lower every year. So we need to do things like this. And it's a convenience just to have that nice warm shower and not have to wait for that hot water. So I think everybody appreciates that.